And we're back for day 4. Yay, we've made it for 3 days. Let's keep going. Day 4. Aw, cute little kitties. Okay. What do we have for day 4? This is the, I'm going to say it wrong, K-A-I-A-M-I. Kaimi? Kaimi, maybe? Can somebody help me out with that? Kaimi? I don't know. Anyway, what am I going to choose? These are people, and none of them are particularly Christmassy, but that's okay. I like the fact that there are kitty cats in almost all of them. Yep. There's one there, yep. Yep, kitties in all of them, except this one, and the faces are on their food, which is cute but weird. So you know what? Who doesn't love cute but weird? We will start with that one. Put that up here. Whoop, whoop. And up here. And I like this one. This one's cute. Put that there. All right. I hope you're getting something out of this. I know these are very short, but hopefully that's actually part of the attraction. You don't have to watch me make an entire cup. All right, day 4 done. See you tomorrow for day 5.